Just wanted to show it running with a little very minor air pressure. There's no leaks here anymore, just like I pointed out last time, none up here. So the next thing to do is there's a ton of little minor leaks in some of these fittings around here. I just need to put some sealer on, but I want to do it right, so I'll probably take everything apart. You can see it's holding the pressure right now. It's right at 40 psi. And these appliances work. This is the quick start valve for the injector. You can hear it. And this is the quick start valve over here for the vacuum brake assembly. And the ejector is down here. That's what that'll activate. Here's the loco parts brake cylinder. Here's the brake cylinders itself. And this will be kind of cool. Just watch carefully here. You'll see the brake arm go down. Let's see. Oh yeah, I need to turn the air supply onto it. There we go. There we go. It's on and off. Brakes on, brakes off. You can actually even see the brake arm go. So need to address a lot of the little things up here. Still holding pretty good at just under 40 after running those things. And let's go ahead and run it again. Run out the excess air pressure. Balance and bore forward. Crack the throttle. Sounds good. Balance and bar to neutral. Balance and bar in reverse. Running on 10 psi right there. So pretty happy with that. Looking forward to getting some time to take the rear header appliances apart, put some proper sealer on all of those, and get this thing ready for a steam test. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'll keep you posted.